Dealers love to talk about horsepower and touchscreen size, but the real secrets of Ram trucks, mechanics know them. Today, we're exposing 15 hidden Ram features that most owners never discover because dealers keep quiet. These are the tricks, shortcuts, and built-in upgrades that can save you time, money, and frustration. If you own a Ram or you're thinking about buying one, this list will change how you use your truck. Some of these features are so useful, mechanics use them every day, but most salespeople have never even tried them. Let's get started. RAMBox drain plugs. Ram's bedside storage bins. The RAMBox are more than just toolboxes. Each one has a hidden drain plug at the bottom. That means you can fill them with ice and drinks for tailgating, or use them as a built-in cooler on job sites. Mechanics have used them to keep groceries cold on long trips, or to store muddy boots and fishing gear. Just rinse and drain. When you're done, just pull the plug and let the water drain out. Most owners never realize this feature exists. Dealers almost never mention it. It's a small detail, but it turns your truck into a mobile cooler, a wash station, or a weatherproof toolbox all in one. Remote window drop. Ever get into your Ram after it's been baking in the sun? Hold the unlock button on your key fob for 3 seconds. All 4 windows drop at once, venting the heat before you even open the door. Mechanics use this every summer, and parents love it after a long day at the field. It's also perfect for airing out the truck after hauling pets or gear. Dealers rarely mention this, but it's available on most Rams from 2019 and up. It's a simple trick that makes a huge difference in comfort, especially in hot climates. Tailgate measuring tool. Look closely at the top edge of your tailgate. Those grooves aren't just for show, they're a built-in ruler, marked in inches and centimeters. Perfect for quick measurements at the job site, hardware store, or even when loading up for a weekend project. Mechanics use it to check lumber, pipes, and even garden supplies. It saves time, and you never have to search for a tape measure. Most owners never notice it, but once you do, you'll use it every week. It's a small feature that makes your truck smarter and your work easier. Bed camera and multi-view system. Ram's camera system does more than just help you back up. Hit the camera button while in drive, and you can switch between bed view, surround view, and front camera. The bed camera is a game changer for hitching trailers solo. No more spotters, no more guessing. The surround view helps in tight parking or job sites, and the front camera is perfect for avoiding curbs or debris. Mechanics use these views every day, but most dealers only demo the backup camera. Once you know how to use every angle, you'll wonder how you ever parked or towed without it. Pre-wired auxiliary switches. See those blank switches on your overhead console? They're not just placeholders. Ram pre-wires auxiliary switches from the factory, even if you didn't order extra options. That means you can add a light bar, winch, air compressor, or off-road lights without running new wires through the firewall. Mechanics love this. It saves hours of labor, keeps everything looking factory, and makes upgrades safer. Most owners never realize how easy it is to add accessories, but once you do, you'll see why mechanics call this a game changer. Trailer reverse steering control. Backing up a trailer is tough unless you have Ram's trailer reverse steering control. Instead of turning the wheel, you use a dedicated knob to steer the trailer exactly where you want it. The truck handles the counter steering automatically. It's so easy, even first-timers can back up like a pro. Mechanics use it every week, and it's a lifesaver for anyone who tows boats, campers, or equipment. Dealers rarely demo this, but once you try it, you'll never want to go back to the old way. Remote power tailgate. Most Ram owners don't realize their tailgate can open remotely. Hold the tailgate button on your key fob, and the tailgate drops automatically. Some models even have a hands-free kick sensor under the bumper. Just swipe your foot, and the tailgate opens. Perfect when your hands are full of groceries, tools, or gear. The system also has load assist for closing. Just lift halfway, and the motor does the rest. Mechanics show this to new owners all the time, but dealers almost never mention it. It's a feature you'll use every week once you know it's there. Hidden center console storage. Open your center console and pull out the cup holder insert. Underneath is a hidden storage compartment most Ram owners never find. Mechanics use it for wallets, keys, and important documents. It's completely out of sight and much safer than the glove box. Some trims also have a lockable bin under the rear seat, perfect for tools or recovery gear. Dealers almost never point these out, but they're some of the best places to keep valuables safe and organized. Hill Start Assist in emergency. Ram's Hill Start Assist holds the brakes for 2 seconds after you lift your foot, so you never roll back on a hill. It's automatic, no buttons, no settings. In an emergency stop, the brake lights flash rapidly to warn drivers behind you. This can prevent rear-end collisions, especially in bad weather. These features are built-in safety, but most owners never realize they're there until a mechanic points them out. It's a small thing that can make a big difference in real-world driving. Key fob, panic mode, and window close. Hold the lock button on your key fob for 3 seconds, and all windows roll up automatically. If you left a window open, you don't have to get back in the truck. And if you ever feel unsafe, pressing the panic button triggers the horn and lights, drawing attention instantly. Mechanics show this to new owners, but dealers rarely mention it. It's a simple feature that adds real security and peace of mind. Auto-folding tow mirrors. Ram's auto-folding tow mirrors are a lifesaver in tight spaces. With the press of a button, the big mirrors fold in, letting you fit into narrow garages or parking spots. When you're ready to tow, they extend back out for maximum visibility. Mechanics use this every day, especially in crowded service bays. Most owners never realize their mirrors can do this. Dealers almost never demo it. It's a simple feature that protects your mirrors and your paint. Adjustable pedals. Ram trucks with power adjustable pedals let you move the brake and accelerator closer or farther with the touch of a button. This isn't just about comfort, it's about safety. Shorter drivers can sit farther from the airbag, and taller drivers get more legroom. Mechanics always adjust pedals for test drives, but most owners never use this feature. Dealers rarely mention it, but it can make a huge difference on long trips or when sharing the truck with family. Rear under-seat storage bins. Lift up the rear seat in your Ram, and you'll find deep storage bins built into the floor. Mechanics use these for tools, jumper cables, and emergency gear. They're weatherproof, out of sight, and keep your cab organized. Most owners never look under the seat, and dealers almost never point it out. It's one of the best places to store valuables or keep your truck clutter-free. Integrated bed lighting. Ram's integrated bed lighting is a game changer for anyone who works early or late. Press the button in the bed or on the dash, and bright LEDs light up the entire cargo area. Mechanics use this for night repairs, and owners love it for camping, loading gear, or finding tools in the dark. Dealers rarely demo it, but once you use it, you'll never want to go back to a flashlight. Built-in inverter and 115 volts outlet. Many Rams come with a built-in inverter and a 115-volt household outlet, sometimes in the cab, sometimes in the bed. Mechanics use it to power tools, charge laptops, or run a compressor on the go. It's perfect for job sites, tailgating, or emergencies. Most owners never use it, and dealers almost never mention it, but it's one of the most practical features you'll find in any modern truck. Dealers keep quiet about these features, but mechanics use them every day. If you own a Ram, you're missing out if you don't know these tricks. Drop a comment if you've used any of these, or if you have a hidden feature to share. Subscribe for more real-world truck tips, and check out our next video for the Ram maintenance shortcuts that can save you thousands. Don't let the best features of your truck go to waste use what the dealers won't tell you.